How you doing, everybody? It is I, your friend, the Midlife YouTuber, and I come to impart wisdom upon you on this beautiful, glorious, very hot day. Which is strange to say because you could be watching this in the middle of Alaska in December. It might not be warm for you, but right now I am sweating my balls off. That's okay though. I don't mind, because this is my favorite part of what I do. Getting here in front of the camera and getting to talk to everybody. So how's everybody doing? How are you? I don't mean that in the usual chit-chatty kind of way when you're going into a convenience store and you open the door for somebody and they kind of nod and you go, hey, how's it going? And they go, oh yeah, good, and they leave. Or, you know, when you walk into some place and somebody says, how's it going? And you go, oh, living the dream, ha ha ha. Yeah, oh yeah, one man's dream's another man's nightmare, ha ha, living the nightmare. I don't mean it that way. I mean it as a sincere, how are you? Because number one, I care. I really do care. I care about each and every one of you. But also because I want you to kind of take stock and I want you to think about it. And, you know, am I okay? How am I feeling today? And here's the thing. If I was having a really bad day, or I'm in a really bad mood, or I'm really stressed, it's not the day to make a video. That's going to come across. People are going to see it. People are going to realize that something's off about you, that you don't have your usual vim and vigor, that you're not your usual self. If your usual self is anxious and nervous or angry, that's something different. But your attitude should always be relatively the same when you're filming. The reason for that is because people can tell. It's very hard to hide how you're actually feeling when you're on camera, and when you're distracted, or when you're anxious, or when you're bothered, or when you're nervous, or when you're just furious about something. It's gonna come across in how you make a video. And you want to be pretty even-keeled across the board. And if your normal default setting when you're doing a YouTube video is really amped up and you know, crazy motions and just a ton of energy, then that's what you need to bring to almost all of your videos. But if your normal demeanor is more low-key and just kind of chill, then that's what you want to bring. But if you bring anger all of a sudden and you're dropping F-bombs and just miserable and just being a very negative person when that's not who you really are, then don't put that out for the world to see. Take a day off, take a couple days off, take a week off if you need to, and get your mind right. Mental health is incredibly important, and that has nothing to do with YouTube, or not exclusively to YouTube. Now, there's a lot of crazy things going on. There's a lot of people, some with good intentions, some with bad intentions, giving people information or giving people advice that really don't need to be doing it. But at the end of the day, you need to take accountability for yourself and your own actions and who you are and what you do. And you need to be aware of your own mental health. And if there's an issue, well, please get help. I'm not the one to help you. I'll always listen, lend you an ear. You can talk to the screen right now. I can do a video where I just do like 10 minutes of me going, oh. And how does that make you feel? I don't think anybody really want to watch something like that, but you know, maybe that's a new niche I'm going to invent, the psychotherapy niche. I'll just say things like, do you hate your mother for that? And where is your father now? And how does that make you feel? I think I just hit on $1 billion idea. Nobody can take that. It's my idea. It's all mine. Seriously. If you need to talk to somebody, please find somebody to talk to. But outside of that, if you're just having a bad day, if you're mad, if you're angry, annoyed, nervous about something, anxious about something, burn off some energy. Go for a walk. Go to the gym. Call up a friend. Talk to them for a while. Do the things that make you happy. If it's raining outside, there's malls. Large indoor shopping areas that nobody goes to anymore because you can buy everything on the Amazon website. You know, you can go to one of those malls and you can walk around, do a couple circuits there, get yourself a Cinnabon. They are delicious. They're not good for you, but boy, do they taste good. If you like going out on hikes, go out on a hike, find a mountain, find a trail, go swimming. It's, you know, if it's summertime, you know, jump in a lake somewhere. I mean, if you're supposed to, and if you know how to swim. If you don't know how to swim, you know, you can stay in the shallows and kind of splash yourself or something. But You know, I don't want anybody going, oh, the midlife YouTuber told me I should go for a swim, and then they drown because they don't know how to swim. That would be tragic in a hysterical kind of way, but it would be sad. So if you know how to swim, swim. If you know how to ride a bike, ride a bike. If you have a motorcycle, going on a motorcycle ride, man, that'll clear your mind like nothing else. One of the best things in the world for you. So that being said, I just wanted to give everybody that heads up that, you know what, if today's a really bad day for you, it's not the best time to film. You know, talk to somebody, get yourself right, you know, get a little physical exercise, because I'll tell you what, no matter what's bothering you, I find physical exercise, whether it's a hike or a trip to the gym, is one of the best things for you. Absolutely. Fixes me up every damn time. But that's me. You might be different. Do what makes you feel better. Do what makes you feel right. And then once you feel a little bit better and you're okay, then you make your video. So anyway, guys, I'm the Midlife YouTuber. That was my video for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check some of my other videos, and please keep coming back. So now head on out there, cast in your reel, and catch your first fish. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.